Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play Flash games on your Mac. First, look up Flashpoint for Mac. Click on this second link. Then you'll simply copy this command into your terminal. Copy and paste that, hit enter. This will start your download. It might take a few minutes to download, but once this percent reaches 100, then it will be completely downloaded in your downloads folder. Now, as you can see, it's finally complete. Now I can just navigate to Finder, go to Downloads, and here you have this new folder, Flashpoint for Mac. Double click on that, and then you can simply double click on the application. It should start right up. And now you can just click on games, and then you can search for any game. That's all for this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.